Okay guys, as you see, I have already drew my pattern out and I have cut it to how the pattern is supposed to be. The measurements will be in the description below. And I am also going to, of course, put my material inside out and I'm going to trace it with the chalk pencil or pen, or you can just use a regular piece of chalk, either or, it doesn't matter. Okay, so after I get done tracing, I pin it together on the inside of the trace. So when you get ready to cut it, the material, the two pieces of material that are folded together don't flap all over the place. So you can get a pretty decent cut. You can use a tracing, not a tracing wheel. Well, you could use a tracing wheel if you want to trace that pattern, but you can use the cutting wheel. I did not use it this time. I just used scissors. But yeah, so this is what I'm doing right here, and I'm about to cut. Okay, so now that I have it all cut out and unpinned, turn over the one, whichever is going to be the front. For me, you don't have to do this part, but I embroidered her name on there. So right here is what I'm doing. I'm measuring where I want to put it. And then I'm just going to embroider it real quick on there. I didn't record the entire embroidery session, but as you can see, it's embroidering right now. This print is so busy, like you can barely see her name, but it's there. So I embroidered her name on there. Okay, right here, I'm about to sew the straps on. The straps do go on the pretty side, good side, showing side. Okay, after you sew your straps on, go ahead, line everything up, pin it together so you can sew everything up. Now make sure you leave a hole, of course, where you want to fill with the poly-fill. So you have to leave a hole. I left the 2 holes in the top where the straps are. They worked out okay, but if you want a neater, better job, I would leave the hole open on the bottom when you flip it inside in. Okay. Okay, I'm about to sew everything up and leave my 2 openings. Like I said, you can leave your opening wherever you like to leave your opening. So you can put it inside in and fill it up with poly-fill. Okay, there it is inside in. And now I'm getting ready to fill it with the poly-fill. So here we go. Okay, so I forgot to record sewing these on, but I mean, while closing it up. I gotta get all these pieces off or whatever, but
seriously,
there you go.
Should we?
We shall see how it works.
Just need to get a new Wait, let's think about this.
We'll see how it works. Everything clamps up
I don't know, this string.
like it's supposed to.
The coincidence that Lottie dreamed about it.
Boom.